Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone. In this video, we try to solve this problem. I have this error. A RenderFlex overflowed by pixels on the right, on the right, on the right. We try to go to the code for this problem by using inspector. Let's start by press here and press on the error. Now I close here, give me the error in the last items. Yes, I will go to up to the row. If you focus, we have row. In the row we have multiple items. Item number 1, item number 2, item number 3, item number 4. The solution number 1 is by we'll wrap this every items by expand. This is expand, this expanded. This is number 1. Item number 2, wrap with expanded. Item number 3, wrap it with expanded. Item the last item, expand. Sorry, expanded. Expanded. Yes, this. I try to restart. I will cancel widget inspector. Yes, the problem is fixed. Now we don't have any problem. This is solution number 1. If we need to try solution number 2, I will try the solution number 2 by wrap the row with what? With single child scroll view. If I do that, I will try to run app again. and focus what I get error. Quick please. Yes, he gave me same error. This is because we using single child scroll view, but the default single child scroll view scrolling is scroll direction. Default is vertical. We need to change it to what? To horizontal. Then we do that. Scroll direction. We change it to horizontal. And try again. Focus here and here. Yes. Now the error is solved. Problem is solved by two methods. We know we have other method, but this method is the bester. Using single child scroll view or expanded for every item. That's all. Please subscribe in channel and share video if found it useful, and write any comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching. Bye.